not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. What is the slogan of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Make India clean, one step towards cleanliness, one home, one toilet, clean roads and villages. The answer is B. One step towards cleanliness is the slogan of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Very important topic. For all State Public Service Commission and UPSC, expect a question from this area for all the upcoming exams. The main aim of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Swachh Bharat Mission is to eliminate open defecation across the country by 2nd of October 2019. Remember this date, very important, previously asked in many exams. Now, the practice of open defecation continues in many states despite the availability of toilet at home. It is observed that 25% of the people defecated in open in the year 2014 and the proportion remained the same even in 2018. And it is mainly seen in rural areas of 4 northern states, which includes Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Remember these 4 states, very important. Now this indicates that the mission has been more successful at toilet construction rather than driving the behavioral change in people. Now bringing the behavioral change is very important. It is a key to achieving zero open defecation in our country. Women's Reservation Bill was introduced in Parliament as which of the following numbered bill? Constitution 108th Amendment Bill, Constitution 109th Amendment Bill, 110th Amendment Bill or 112th Amendment Bill? The answer is A. 108th. The Constitutional Amendment Bill is also commonly known as the Women's Reservation Bill, was introduced in Rajya Sabha and passed in the Upper House in the year 2010. The Women Reservation Bill is pending in Lok Sabha since 9 years. The bill proposes 33% reservation for women in Parliament and state legislatures. Now, supporting Women's Reservation Bill was present government election manifesto. Women MPs questioned the government that they had promised to nation to support the bill. Now CPIM says the BJP government had absolute majority in the Lok Sabha but had not got the bill passed. The National Green Tribunal imposed a fine of 100 crore rupees on which of the following government? Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Delhi, Maharashtra. The answer is B. Meghalaya. NGT slaps a fine of 100 crore rupees on the state government of Meghalaya. The environment compensation was levied based on a report submitted by an NGT committee. The fine will act as a deterrent to stop illegal mining activities in the state of Meghalaya. Recently, 15 miners were trapped in an illegal mine. Since 13th of December 2018, the rescue operations are still going on. The illegal mine is like a maze of rat holes. You don't know which rat hole goes where. It is a Herculean task for the divers to get these people out. So government says there is no blueprint to guide the 12 Navy divers and the NDRF team in the Meghalaya rescue. So to cope such incidents further, NGT fined the government. Ramnath Goenka Excellence Awards is one of the most prestigious awards given in India in the field of journalism, politics, literature or cinema. The answer is A. Journalism. Now, Ramnath Goenka Excellence Award is given in the field of journalism. Now, this award is instituted by Ramnath Goenka Memorial Foundation. Now, recently, these awards were presented by Rajnath Singh in New Delhi. The awards were given to 29 journalists across India in various categories. What is the name of the Chinese Lunar Rover of the Chang'e 4 lunar probe? Yutu 2, Yutu 1, Yutu 3 or Yutu 4? The answer is A. Yutu 2 is named as the Chinese Lunar Rover of the Chang'e 4 lunar probe. Very important, do remember. The main aim of this Chinese land rover is that it will carry out the string of experiments on the unexplored far side of the moon. Now, the land rover will pass on the information to communication relay satellite known as the QCHAO satellite, and this satellite will pass over the information to Earth, as direct communications with the Earth are impossible on the far side of the moon since transmissions are blocked by the moon itself. According to recent survey, which category of children at childcare institutions are in majority? Orphans, abandoned, single parent or homeless? The answer is C. Single parent children at childcare institutions are in majority. A recent report given by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, the total children in juvenile homes are almost 3,77,000. And survey of 9,000 shelters across nation found that more than 1 lakh children in childcare homes are from single parent homes. This indicates children at childcare institutions are not orphans or destitutes or abandoned, but belong to the family structures that are unable to look after them. Now, single parent includes abandoned wives or widows or single fathers, etc. Which of the following teams reached the finale of the Pro-kabaddi League Season 6? Telugu Titans and Patna Pirates, Bengal Fortunergiants and Bengaluru Bulls, UP Yoddhas and U Mumbai, Dabang Delhi and Bengal Warriors. The answer is B. Gujarat Fortunergiants and Bengaluru Bulls reached the finale of the Pro-kabaddi League Season 6. Previously, many questions asked regarding Pro-kabaddi League topic, so you need to have minimum idea of in this area. On Jan 5, 2019, today itself, the finale will take place in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Indoor Stadium in Mumbai. The Pro-kabaddi League first edition started in the year 2014, and the current champion was Patna Pirates, who clinched the title in the year 2017. The most successful team is also Patna Pirates. They won the title 3 times. Let's see the question for the day. Women and Child Development Ministry informed Lok Sabha that calls received by Child Helpline increased in these 4 years more than 3-fold. So you need to have minimum idea of what is the Child Helpline number in India. The options are 1098, 181, 108 or 100. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Supreme Court will hear review petition on Sabarimala verdict on which day? The answer is A. January 22nd, 2019. The Supreme Court of India will hear all the review petitions on Sabarimala verdict. Now, it is very rare for Supreme Court of India to review its own judgments. Supreme Court historical verdict on Sabarimala temple was given on 28th of September 2018. A 5-judge constitutional bench has ruled in favor of allowing women of all ages to enter Kerala's most famous temple. Now, this constitution bench struck down as unconstitutional the tradition barring the entry of women aged between 10 and 50 years into the temple. What is the current retirement age of the Supreme Court judges? The answer is D. 65 years is the current retirement age of the Supreme Court judges. Earlier, Parliamentary Standing Committee recommended an increase in retirement age of the judges so that it would help in reducing vacancy and pendency of cases in the short run. But the Law Ministry says no proposal as of now to increase the retirement age of Supreme Court judges from 65 to 67, and High Court judges from the age of 62 to 65 years. The quote for the day: success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. So in order to achieve success, you need to be disciplined and practice consistently. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend. See you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.